Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents, and basically all you have to do to close, for example, one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, simply tap on close all. And as you can see, we've got this information that we just freed some memory. What is more, we can confirm it. As you can see, after entering the recents, we've got no recent tasks, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.